Did you know, according to the United States Public Interest Research Group, over 79% of all credit reports have errors? But most people don't know that those errors on their credit reports can be used as leverage to legally remove negative accounts, even if they didn't pay them. I'm Azim Sharp, creator and founder of Leaf Credit Solutions and author of the Ultimate Credit Repair Guide. I'm not sure if you know it or not, but negative accounts don't have to remain on your credit report for 7 to 10 years. If a negative account isn't reporting 100% accurately, if it isn't 100% verifiable, or isn't reporting within the allowable statute of limitations, it can be removed, even if you didn't pay it. So, based on statistics, there's a very strong chance you have errors on your credit report. And all it takes is one simple mistake or error, and you could be denied for credit. And you don't want that to happen. I remember working with a client who had a $4,700 collection on her credit report. And the debt collector called her about 5 to 6 times per day. And it really stressed her out. After we began working on her credit, it was obvious that the debt collector, they couldn't validate the debt, and the account was not reporting accurately. Within the first 30 days of working with us, she received a letter directly from the creditor that stated she no longer owed the debt. And after we pulled an updated credit report, the account was no longer reporting. We were able to help her because she took the first step and sought help. Some of the biggest mistakes I see people making is not monitoring their credit through a credit monitoring service who provides monthly updates of all 3 reports and all 3 scores, or at the very least, checking their credit a minimum of every 60 days. So if you don't regularly monitor your credit, then you won't know what's on it. You don't want to wait to review your credit report when you need to use it. That's the wrong time, because then you might be hit with a surprise that you didn't expect. If you have negative accounts on your credit report, they won't just disappear. If you need help repairing your credit and removing negative, inaccurate, unverifiable, or outdated information that's found on more than 79% of credit reports, click the link to book a no obligation free appointment, plus get a complimentary credit improvement plan.